Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about subtraction, multiplication and division of positive and negative numbers. In the previous session I explained you about the addition of positive and negative numbers. So we will continue the same concept but with operation of subtraction, multiplication and division of the numbers, that is integer we can refer them. Okay, so let me begin with the same thing. So let me begin with the table, that is we know that already plus into plus, that is plus is plus minus, as you know it is minus plus gives you minus and minus makes it plus. Okay, so this, as I explained here, this shows the operation. So suppose if you are discussing now, with the subtraction operation. So let me explain you about this one, subtraction of positive and negative numbers. Okay, so let me explain this one with an example. So suppose we have numbers like this one, 25 and 36. Suppose we are having both the numbers are now here, they are positive. Subtraction of both the positive numbers, that is 25 minus 36. As you know, it is very simple. 25 minus 36 we cannot subtract. So once again we go with what? 36 minus 25, which you are going to get, that is 11. But you know 36 minus 25 is 11, but 25 minus 36 cannot be called as 11. It cannot be considered as 11 because as we know 36 minus 25 is 1. So the problem often where you people get confused with this one. So I am going to write here 25 minus 36 is equal to minus 11. As in the previous session I explained that we are considering the sign of a bigger number, that is here the sign of the bigger number is negative. We are doing the subtraction and we are keeping the sign of what? Bigger number, that is 25 minus 36 is equal to, it is minus 11. And we know, let me clear more about this one, that is 36 minus 25 is also called as subtraction. Here we are going to get here plus 1. One is positive and here the other is negative. As the sign of the positive, that is bigger number, is plus, we are going to get the answer as plus 1. Sorry, it is 11 plus 11, and here 25 minus 36 is also 11, but it is with a negative sign. So let me go with the next one, that is now you have both the numbers now plus and one is positive, another is negative. In this case you have got this way. Now take this one now, 25 and 36 with negative sign. Okay, minus 25 and minus 36. What they say in the question, it will be asked subtract the number. If it is asked subtract the numbers, then what you are going to do? Minus 25, as they asked you to subtract the numbers, you are subtracting here, minus sign you are keeping, and here you are making it minus 36. Little but different it is. Problem is, so 25 minus of minus 36 means minus 25. This minus and minus, it is plus, and you are going to get here 36. Here minus 25 plus 36, once again it is what? The same thing, it is 11, but with the sign positive because the bigger number is having what? Plus sign. So let me continue with the same thing here. Like this one, suppose if we have minus 36 and minus 25. So what you will get here? Minus 36, you will get minus of minus 25. Why this minus? Because we are subtracting these two numbers. The operation what it told us to do, what? A subtraction. So because of that one, this sign comes. Okay, minus 36 minus and minus, once again it makes it plus 25. So you have here minus 36 plus 25. What will do? The minus 36 plus 25 gives you what? 11, but with a sign, yes, it is with minus. Okay, so this is what you have, the subtraction of positive and negative numbers. The first one, it was when both the numbers are positive, is very simple. 25 minus 36, not necessary of putting the bracket, directly you can write 25 minus 36. If it is 36 minus 25, we can go with that one. If the number are with different signs, in that case you are going to explain what you are going to write, put the bracket. Okay, this is a very simple concept. Addition and subtraction, they are very simple, and multiplication is more easier than that one. So let me continue with this one, multiplication of what numbers. So what they do, what they say here, the question, if it is asked, multiply the numbers. Okay, the question is what, multiply the numbers are there, it will be given multiply the integers. If it is asked, multiply the given integers. Okay, let me explain here once again with example. So suppose we'll take the number, same thing, same numbers I'm going to take here, okay, with different signs, 36 and 25. It is simple, multiply the numbers, not necessarily putting any bracket. 36 into 25, we can go with rough work, that is the 36 into 25 as usual method. 5 6 are 30, carry 3, 5 3 is 50, plus 3 it is 80. You can put plus sign or you can put 0. Then 2 6 are 12, carry 1, 2 3 are 6 plus 1 7, simple multiplication. 0, 8 plus 2 10, carry 1, 7 plus 1 8, plus 1 it is 9. It's 900. There is no question of what signs, because both are positive. We'll get very simple, it is positive, that is 900 plus 900. Now the question comes here, both the numbers are negative, so multiply. What they say here, the question is like this. So once again, multiply minus 36 and minus 25. So whatever it is, this one here, minus 36. What the question is, multiply means put multiplication sign, and 25 it is minus 25. So better to have the practice of writing whenever you have digits in with minus sign. For the next one, that is you are going to put the bracket, that is minus 25, so that you will not get confused. If I write this way, minus 36 into minus 25, it is what, confusing, and you will get meshed with all these things. So what we'll do, we keep we put the bracket so that we can simplify more easily without any confusion. So let me explain you. As we know here, okay, minus and minus, once again multiplication of minus negative sign and with negative sign makes it what, plus. Here 36 into 25, very interesting thing here it is, and very simple. It is that the addition and subtraction of numbers, because here the table it is something like this one. The table it is changes here, addition multiplication of plus into plus is equal to plus. Okay, here this we are discussing about the signs. We are, what is answer, sign of the answer it shows here. Okay, now let me complete this one. Plus into minus, it is nothing to do with the operation. Plus into minus, it shows that it is negative. What the answer getting after multiplication is with negative sign. This is the difference here, and it is simple. And multiplication, just number multiplication as usual, very simple concept it is here. So suppose if you have minus and the minus, here you are going to get the positive answer. Answer is in positive. Then if you are getting here, that is minus into plus, you are going to get the answer in the form of minus. Okay, so very simple. Okay, let me explain this very easily with some simple numbers. That is 2 and 3. Suppose if we have numbers 2 and 3, plus 2 into plus 3, it is 6. Minus 2 into minus 3, we are not adding, we are not subtracting, just we are multiplying. 2 3 is 6, minus minus plus. Then we have minus 2 into minus 3. So that is, sorry, minus 2 into minus, you can put the bracket, sorry. So here if it is minus 2 into plus 3, then minus plus it is once again minus 2 3 is 6. Then plus 2 into minus 3, very simple, 2 3 is 6. Then plus minus minus, in all the things, in all these 4 cases, you are getting the same digit but with different sign. And very interesting and very simple, here in multiplication only signs get multiplied. So that is very simple chart of the signs with respect to multiplication. Little confusion you often get with addition and subtraction. Okay, if you practice more and more, it will be more easy to understand and solve. So you need the practice of this one. So let me continue with the same thing here. Let 36 into 25 as we had done in the previous one, and minus minus plus, it is what, 900. Okay, similarly you can go with this one, minus 36 into plus 25. Not necessarily put in the bracket, if you want you can. So here is once again 900. As you know, minus plus it makes minus. So once again the fourth case you have 36 into minus 25. which is equal to once again 900. Yes, the sign is plus minus minus. So let me repeat this one. This multiplication is very simple compared to addition and subtraction. Once again I want to say that as it is. Okay, let me conclude once again with this one. So plus into plus, you are getting plus sign in the multiplication of two positive numbers. You are going to get in the case of minus and minus also plus sign in the case of multiplication of two numbers, and you are going to get plus in minus into plus, you are going to get the negative sign with respect to the multiplication. Same thing, plus into minus, in that case also you are going to get once again the negative numbers. Okay, so finally I would like to once conclude this way. So 2 into minus 3 is 2 3s are 6, plus minus minus. 5 into 6, both are positive. So 5 6 are 30, no way, very simple. Minus 5 into 7, 5 7 are 35, minus, okay, minus 2 into minus 3, it is 2 3s are 6. Just multiply numbers, minus minus plus. So let me continue further. 1 into minus 1, 1 into 1 it is 1, plus minus minus, minus 5 into 1, 5 ones are 5, minus 5, minus 3 into minus 5, 5 3s are 15. Yes, the sign is minus minus plus. Just go on multiplying the numbers, then go on multiplying the signs, and this sign, the sign concept of this one you will get clear if you write minus plus into plus is plus sign, minus into minus is plus sign with respect to the multiplication answer. Very simple. Thank you.